Hello, my name is Mayyadah Saad and I'm an 8th grader at Huda Islamic School. My project title is Studying with a Chance of Contamination, examining the decline in water quality as plastic water bottles are subjected to the heat of the sun. People use plastic water bottles to store and consume drinking water, offering convenience and portability for people on the go. A water quality tester was used to test the total dissolved solids, the electroconductivity, the pH level, and total salts in each water sample. It's a known fact that we should not drink bottled water that has been left in the car for some time. This project will ask the question, is the quality of water in a water bottle left in the sun affected by the heat of plastic? Most plastics are made from a type of plastic called PET. When left in the car, the water bottle can release harmful chemicals called BPA and anonymity. Total dissolved solids are measured by parts per million or ppm. Electroconductivity is measured in microsiemens per centimeter. Salt is measured in parts per thousands. For my variables, my independent variable was the number of days the bottled water is left in the car. The dependent variable is the quality of the water measured by TDS, EC, pH, and salt. The control variable is the same brand and size of water bottles, and they will all be left in the same car. For my hypothesis, I hypothesized if bottled water is left in the car for a period of 2 weeks, 1 month, and 2 months, then the quality of the water inside the water bottle will start to decline. This is a list of the materials that I used for this project, such as 12 Kirkland brand 8 fluid ounce water bottle, a water quality tester, distilled water, 4 500 ml containers, and a car to put the bottles in. I first started by labeling my bottles, for 3 of them labeled as control, 3 of them as 14 days, 3 of them as 1 month, and 3 of them as 2 months. After that, I have placed my controlled in 500 ml containers and filled the fourth one with distilled water. Then I used the water quality tester to measure TDS, EC, pH, and salt in each water. After that, in the in between one bottle and another, I rinsed the water quality tester in distilled water to make sure the readings in the next container were not carrying from the previous container. For my step, for my last step, I placed the rest of the bottles in direct sun exposure for the amount of time listed on them. Then I repeated step 3 for duration of the time. After all the water bottles have been tested, I recorded it in my table and graphs. This is my collected data, and these are my graphs. Now for my results, the average results for the control was 21.67 for TDS, 45.67 for electroconductivity, 7.34 for pH, and 21.67 for salt content. The average results for the bottles that were left in the car for 2 weeks was 23 for TDS, 45.67 for electroconductivity, 7.12 for pH, and 23 for salt content. The average result for the bottles that were left in the car for 1 month was 25.67 for TDS, 53 for electroconductivity, 6.93 for pH, and 25.67 for salt content. The average results for the bottles that were left in the car for 2 months was 30.33 for TDS, 54 for electroconductivity, 6.93 for pH, and 30.33 for salt content. For my conclusion, I have concluded that the total dissolved solids jumped from 21.67 ppm to 30.33, which is a 40% increase. And this was the same for the salt content. The electroconductivity slightly rose from 45.67 to 54, and this was an 18.24% increase. Lastly, the pH level dropped from 7.34 to 6.93, which was a 5.59% decrease. While most bottle manufacturing companies claim that water bottles left in the car are safe, research has proven this to be otherwise. Polycarbonated reusable plastic water bottles are made from BPA, which can mimic or block hormones and can distribute the normal function of the body. This can impact the reproductive function and metabolism. Thank you.